Oh, wow. I didn't even notice him.
I didn't either. I was looking at the guy you were covering over the middle.
Yeah.
He was open. I was going to hit him, but then you broke off.
Holy shit. Need to pay more attention to pass rushers, I guess.
I was surprised you were going for it. I know it was only 4th and 5, but you were deep.
Wow, guys.
Is that man? Called it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, what's going to happen if I punt it? I'm going to lose.
I don't know. Call it half. I like it. No. What is that safety doing?
Oh.
Oh, I thought he was going to go. What? Oh my God. You've got to be fucking shitting me.
That's how I drew it up.
Ooh.
Here.
Ooh. Risky business.
Oh. Hold on to it, you dumbass.
Nice. Good dart. It was just over me. I couldn't get over it to it. Figured I'd give you a short field and a chance with the onside too.
Ah, fuck. A good game.
Yep. I'll probably see you in the ACC championship.
Sounds good. Hopefully you're back.
Yeah, I hope so.